Assalamu alaikum. I want to show you this website that I have created that has many resources that will help you in learning Turkish. Yes, you can benefit from the free resources that are on the internet, and they are a lot. This is what I used to do before, but if you want to enhance your learning, you want to learn faster, you want to take a step forward, you want to invest in yourself, I advise you to take a look on this page and see what resources I have prepared for you. First, if you still haven't taken your free copy of this free guide to learning the Turkish language, then enter your email in this area and I will send you this guide to your emails. You will find the link of this website below. I've added these resources for you, but I will be adding more resources that will help you in learning Turkish. You can look at each one of them, press on more details, and you'll get more information about these resources. Learning a new language needs a lot of commitment and hard work. So I advise you to take advantage of these resources and learn Turkish faster, practice it a lot, because this is what I did. I used a lot of resources, and this is what got me to this point in learning Turkish, by taking advantage of all the beneficial resources that I could find and that could help me learn Turkish faster. You will find the link of this website below. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me or send me an email.